If you're a nurse moving to Illinois, you'll need to apply for licensure by endorsement. The process is the same for RNs and LPNs, and everything starts online. First, create an account on the Illinois Department of Financial and Professional Regulation website. Complete the application for licensure by endorsement and pay the fee. You'll need to provide a valid Social Security number, or if you don't have one, fill out the SSN affidavit form. If your name has changed, make sure to include the proper documents for that as well. Next, gather copies of all your active or temporary nursing licenses from other states. You'll also need transcripts from your nursing school. These don't have to be sent directly from your school. You can open them yourself, make a copy, and upload it. Licensure verification is also required. If your state participates in Nurses, request verification through their system. If it doesn't, contact that state's Board of Nursing and have them send verification to Illinois. A background check with fingerprints is another step. If you're fingerprinted in Illinois, you'll be given a 16-digit transaction number. Enter that number in your application and keep the receipt for your records in case the department needs to see it later. You'll also be asked for your personal history, which includes things like criminal convictions, prior license issues, or financial defaults. Answer everything truthfully so there are no delays. Finally, have your nursing program complete the education form, also called ED-NUR. It must be signed by your dean or program director and stamped with the official school seal. Once all of this is submitted and approved, Illinois will issue your nursing license by endorsement.